steady if you can. Don't jerk it around. I don't know if he's lip hooked or if he's really well hooked. He's a well lip hook. I'll never get that.
I'll take her from where you're at, about another quarter mile from you.
Only about another 75 feet.
As soon as you said that, it starts pulling like crazy.
No, leave go of the pole and I grab the leader. If he takes off, I'm going to leave go. It's a big fish.
Just keep.
I got you. Let me know when you want
Lift it up on the rod tip though when Mike grabs the lead.
Keep going. Keep going. Not really, but hold that pole. Come away from the boat. Beauty! All right.
Wow.
Good one. Another big one.
Oh, I think this is the biggest one.
Beauty!
Wow.
Hold up on that pie so these guys are I'm going to make these guys jealous.
Don't be like that.
Oh yeah, I want to be like that.
Oh, Mike.
He's got a little speedboat, and I don't know who he is. He's probably a bunker
Mike, you don't do that to people, Mike. You may have a charter there, Mike.
Let me get this baby on the hook. I'm advertising for the internet. That's what I'm doing. Westwood. Let me see. Let me look that boat up.
You do that, Mike, and then they come back and you got a zero when they do it to you.
You gotta go.
How big is that?
I don't know. He's gonna break though. Probably 40 inches. He's over the scale here.
Wow.
That's bigger than one of those big